My humble salutation to Acharya Shri, respected Samni ji, respected Mrs. Karuna ji, faculty members, dear students. Today I am very happy to see this concluding session. I was in the beginning session and second time I was in the concluding session. Physically, but mentally I was in every session, and I was getting information from the students, feedback from the students, how they are feeling. In the beginning, I was in little bit doubt that how this course will go, and because sometimes I know the feeling of the students. In the beginning, so many are there, and slowly they disappear. But fortunately, this didn't happen in this class, because everybody who is coming to me and saying about this class, and really by their heart, open heart, they are appreciating their teacher, that is Mrs. Karuna. And I thought that the decision to calling Karuna is correct. And as you know, Karuna, that we are living in the very remote area, and we have some limitations with us. We couldn't provide you the sufficient facility. Being a German scholar, you are living in the developed country, and still we are the developing country, and this area is unprivileged area also. But by the grace of Gurudev, still we are living in the, I can think, oasis, because this is the oasis of the spirituality. And I think that these physical limitations, with these physical limitations, still you saw that we are not remote in the spirit, in the spirituality. So I hope that you will be also have planned to come again and again here, because as already you have expressed that you got wonderful students here. Students are saying that got a wonderful teacher, and that is the vice versa. Because you know that if there is not a receptive mind is here, no one can give anything to them. So I am happy with my students also. They did a very good job, and when I was listening the Guten Morgen, everywhere Guten Tag. So I also remember these words. Once the team came from the students from the Germany came, and they told me that we amazed that everybody speaking with is the German language. I told that this is the miracle of the Mrs. Karuna, that everywhere the German. And as in the beginning I already told that this is the dream of the Acharya Tulsi. When he was in the Ganga Shahar, and at that time I was going to the Delhi, and he called me and told me that you are going to Delhi and go to the Max Muller house and ask them how can they teach the German language to us. But unfortunately at that time he said demised, and we didn't start on this work. But I thought this is the power of his word, that dream, that word is come in reality, and we have started this course. But this is only starting. We want to do these courses continue, and I hope Mrs. Carla will come regularly here to teach them. And we are also have some plan that how can we continue these courses, because she is the teacher of the German as well as she is the original teacher of the French language also. So I think in the next year, please come with German and French language. One session for the German language and one session for the French language. So we can say in our area, in this remote area, we are teaching the French language. This is next to the English language in the world. French is the. So students, you are also very fortunate that you are getting this type of opportunity. Really, I also wanted to learn this German language, but I can say only but. So I hope in future I can also learn this language, and again I apologize from the university if we couldn't make something to you, and knowingly or unknowingly, please forgive us and continue your support, and thanks a lot.
Thank you, Madami. I am sure VC Ma'am